Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. The perpendicular distance between two parallel tangents of a reverse curve is 7.5 meters and the chord distance from PC to the PT is equal to 65 meters. For question A, compute the central angle of the reverse curve. Question B, compute the common radius of the reverse curve. And last is, if the station of the PC is at 4 plus 560.40, find the stationing of the PT. So ito yung ating diagram or figure. As you can see, itong ating problem for today is a reverse curve. Okay. So dito is i-check natin kung parallel yung ating problem. Ayan. So itong ating problem is a parallel tangent. So remember, pag yung ating reverse curve ay parallel, we can say na yung ating theta is equal to I over 2. So itong theta natin na ito is I over 2 yan. Okay? So first is yung ating compute, yung ating first question is compute the central angle. So yung ating central angle. So to compute the central angle, so check natin dito. Ito yung ating central angle eh. So check lang natin yung ating triangle dyan. So makikita natin dito sa ating figure. So meron tayong 7.5 na given kasi ito yung between two tangent, yung parallel tangent nila. So 7.5 yan. Then hanap tayo ng kakalabasan niya na triangle. So ano bang meron dyan triangle? Ito, meron tayong ayan. And then ayan. So meron naman tayong chord distance which is given. Ito yung ating chord distance na given. So magkakaroon tayo dyan ng triangle na ito. Ayan. So to solve this, gamit na lang tayo ng ating sine function, di ba? Kasi ang hinahanap naman natin is itong theta na ito or ayan. So given dyan yung opposite at saka yung ating hypotenuse. So meron tayong sine ng ating theta equal siya sa opposite side niya is 7.5, then the hypotenuse is 6.5. Meron tayong 7.5 over 6.5. Therefore, theta is equal to, meron tayong arc sine ng 7.5 over ating 6.5. Sa 7.5 over 6. Yan. Sorry, 65 pala. Nag-math error natin na 65. Yan. So meron tayong 6.62 degrees. 6.626 degrees. So ito ay theta pa lang, di ba? So ang hinahanap kasi natin is si I, central angle I. Natin diyan. Yan. So dahil tayo ay parallel, so make sure ito yung condition natin for parallel. So theta equals I over 2. Therefore, yung I natin equal siya sa 2 theta. So yung ating central angle equals 2 times 6.626 degrees. Ayan. So store lang natin or times 2 na natin yan diretso. So meron tayong central angle na 13 point natin na gawing ganyan. So 13.252 degrees. Ayan. And this will be our final answer para sa ating first question. Okay, for our second question, compute the common radius of the reverse curve. So dito, unknown pa yung radius nila. As you can see, ito, di pa natin to alam. Itong radius na to, ayan, yung radius na yan, di rin natin alam. And then, ito. But meron tayong masosolve dyan. So, try natin dito. As you can see, bakit naging r minus 3.75 yan? Kasi ito, yung ating length dyan is half ng 7.5 is 3.75. So, let's say na meron tayo dyan 3.75 dito sa line na to. Okay? So, makukuha na lang natin ito. Yan, kasi itong kabuuan na yan. So, pag binuo natin itong given natin dyan, ito IR. Yan, ating radius. Okay? So, ang kailangan nating length is ito. Ito kasi yung nahanap yung common radius nila. Pwedeng ito. Yan. Okay? So, to solve that, for our question number 2, yung ating radius of the curve, yan. So, meron tayo dyang makikita na angle. So, meron na tayo nito, given na to. So, pwede nating i-write dyan or isulat yung ating 13 degrees. 13.252 degrees. So, pwede nating i-store to. Shift store A. So, lagay natin to sa A. So, as you can see, so, meron tayo ditong hinahanap. Ito kasi yung radius. Yan, radius din yan. Okay, so itong line na to is radius din. So, meron tayo. Pwede tayong gumamit dyan ng cosine function dahil adjacent side ito. Yan, di ba? So, meron tayong cosine ng 13.252 degrees. Tapos, adjacent side niya is r minus 3.75 and then hypotenuse natin is r. So, to write, yung ating solution, meron tayong cosine ng 13.252 degrees equals yung ating adjacent side na r minus 3.75 over yung ating hypotenuse na r. So, meron tayong r equals or radius. Meron tayong cosine ng A equal siya sa x minus 3.75 over yung ating x. So, meron tayong value ng x na 140.83. Meron tayong 140.83 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. And then for our last question, so ang ating last question, kung ang station daw ng PC is at 4 plus 560.40, find the stationing of the PT. So from this, so siguro kunin na lang natin yung ating arc length. Then i-times 2 na lang natin dahil parallel tangent naman siya. Kahit isang length lang, same radius lang naman. So pwede nating i-multiply by 2. So kung same lang yung radius, doon lang mag-a-apply yon. So isang arc length na lang yung kukunin natin. Given na yung ating angle. So remember yung ating formula for question number 3. Yung ating station of PT natin. Okay. So, kunin natin yung ating arc length. Yung LC equals R theta. Remember? So, but yung ating theta is dapat naka-multiply sa pi over 180. Yan. So, to rewrite, so, meron tayong radius, theta, multiplied by pi over 1. Ayan. Substitute lang natin. Yung given natin, 140.83. Store natin to sa B. Pwede nating sabihin na ito ay nakastore sa B. Therefore, meron tayong B dyan. And then, yung ating theta na nakastore sa A. Ayan. Nakastore din to sa A. Ito nasa B. Ito naman nasa A. So, multiply by pi over 1. Therefore, ang ating length ng ating curve equals meron tayong B multiplied by A multiplied by pi over 1. So, meron tayong 32.523. 32.523 meters. Ngayon is isang side pa lang yan. Dito pa lang yan. So, kung i-add mo na yan dito sa ating station is mamamali ka. Kasi hanggang dito ka pa lang pinaka-center. Then, kailangan mo pang i-multiply yan sa another length of the curve. So, yung ating total length of the curve, so, pwede nating sabihin total ng LC. So, 2 times yung ating LC. Multiply lang natin yan sa 2. So, meron tayong 65.145 meters. Then, to get the station ng ating PT, so, meron tayong value na station at PC plus yung ating total length curve. So, meron tayong station at PC na 4,000 4 plus 560.40 plus natin yung ating 65.145 meters. So, meron tayong station at PT na so 4560.4 plus 65.145. So, meron tayong 4 plus 625.545 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, let's recap lang yung ating mga naging sagot. So, for our first question, so the central angle is 13.252 degrees. And then for the radius is 140.83 meters. And for the station of point of tangency or PT is 4 plus 625.545 meters. Ayan. So that's all, and thank you for watching.